Oh, I gotta run. There you are, Twinkle Toes. No. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. I don't want to go to Twinkle Toes. Where's the marching engine? I'm not telling you. No. 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 Okay, bro. Yeah, Mr. Conductor. I got a special job for you. I'm going on a vacation again. I want you on Sodor again. Signed, Sir Topham Hat. Wow! I gotta get ready. Hey, Mr. C. Morning, Patch. Say I'm going to Sodor. Wow. Have a good day. What a day, huh? Mr. Doug's on vacation. Yeah, and who's gonna be a controller? Mr. Conductor, you're back. Hello, Thomas. Haven't seen you. Who's Mr. Conductor? Why, he's our old friend a long time ago. Yeah, Edward was getting mended into works. Alright. I remember. Anyways. So, can't wait. It's been a long time, yeah. Yeah. Come on, Splitter. Let's go. Come on, Dodge. Let's go kill the bulls. Here. What? Why the heck he's back on Sodor? Mate, 22 years in here, so oh yeah, well, you tried to get rid of the magical engineering lady. Yeah, what he said. I know that already. Well, I know we tried to get rid of him, but I think we need a bigger team now. Splotch, go find some new recruits and join them. And more people. Yes, boss. Alright.